Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the subdivision modifier. Subdivision surface modifier, okay? For example, I'm going to put a cube here, this cube here, and I'm going to a modifier, let's call it subdivision surface. I can obtain this by how? Control 1 or Control 2. You can give it more grades. Let me show you right now subdivision surface. It made it smaller. If I click again, it will make it like a ball. If I click it, it will make it more like a ball. If I click it, it will be like a ball till it becomes like a ball. Simple and cat mall clack. Okay, and we can make this in rendering too. This is for rendering, how much you want in rendering and in viewport. You can make this one less, in rendering it will be 5. So you can make it this one shade smooth. And let's say we have done this, and let me show you with another way, which is Control 1, or you can give it another thing from here. If you want to make it Control 4, it will give it something like this, or you want Control 5, you made Control 5 and it will be similar to this, and shade smooth, see, and G and X, and I'm going to here make a cube again, and this time I'm going to select all, going to tab and subdivide them. Okay, subdivide them, and I'm going to give it a modifier, subdivision modifier, surface. Okay, something like this happened. If I am going to make it more, nothing will change. Why this happened? Maybe you will ask, why this happened, Blenderman? Because when you are giving subdivision, the subdivision will be applied to here, to here. If for example, subdivision comes applied to here. If it sees there is many edges, it can't go from here to be smaller like a ball, because here for this one it had only one edge to here, and one edge here, and one edge here, and one edge here, till it make it a ball. But there's many edges here, from here, here, many edges, so it will be hard for the subdivision modifier to make this thing. I hope it was understandable, because it's a little bit hard to get it. So if you didn't get it, by the time you will get it. For example, if I press Control 5, for example, let me go Control 5, and something like this happened. If I go to the tab, you see it was something like this, but because of this edges, I put it this edges, this happened to them. You see, let me not delete them, let me put them in another side, and let's go to the UV. You can give it a subdivision and shade smooth it, it will be like a ball. Okay, and let's give it another thing, which is icosphere. We can Control 1, and you can make it more. Be aware, if you make another Control 1, it will be going to Control 1. Control 5, it will give Control 5. You see? And let's put it here, and put what will go to the cylinder. You can give it Control 4. See, something like this. It's like a lemon. You see, let me make it from here and shade smooth it. It's like a lemon, isn't it? It seems like. So let's put it here and bring the monkey Suzanne. This is the best part that you can see. It's like very harsh face. We can go to the subdivision surface, or you can select it and give it Control 3. You see, it's right now it's very smooth. its face is very smooth. You can see that. This is very time saving modifier. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.